Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I'm here on the Similkameen River on a brand new claim I have never panned before. Checking it out for the first time, absolutely love doing this. Don't know what I'm gonna find, so wish me luck. And I hope you enjoy. Now I'm here for a couple hours tonight, and then I'll be back again tomorrow. So tonight I'm just gonna do my sort of initial look around, check things out, have a good look and see what I can see. And then I see a spot on the far side right there that is bedrock. I love panning bedrock. And I see a crevice in the bedrock full of some cobbles. That looks good. It is the outside corner, but you know what they say, gold is where you find it. So it might not be on the inside corner today, it might be on the outside corner. Beautiful little spot here. Great little campsite. Can drive right into it. I parked the truck there, but I think this little road will actually bring me around over that little lump. That lump's a bit steep for my truck, but I think I can get in. Let's do it. It doesn't look like that much of a lump, but I have very low clearance on my truck. And when I tried poking my nose over, the bottom ground out pretty hard. So don't want to hurt anything. I'm gonna see if I can get around. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that. Can't get better access than that. If I want to, I could probably drive out onto the bar. Anyhow, let's get some water shoes on, go on the other side and see if I can find some gold. Some good old Crocs today. These things are terrible for crossing a creek with. If they slip off your foot, they go floating down river, and then you're stuck in the middle with no shoes on. I've got sandals, I got sneakers that are meant for walking in the water, whatever. These are easy. And I'm just doing a quick little test. Loaded and ready. Where do I cross? Where do I cross? I'm gonna cross right there. Let's do this without losing a shoe or stubbing a toe. Ow! Easy crossing. Didn't even get my shorts wet. Probably would have been easier even right there where the water's fast. That is where I want to try today. And look at this beautiful bedrock. It is the outside corner, so that is a big detriment to it. But shale up on edge like this is what catches gold. Right there, some river cobbles right on the shale. There's another good spot over in there. Another good spot right up there. I didn't bring my metal detector with me this trip. I should have. I love seeing things like this. This is a piece of, driftwood. Wood that has been washed down by the river. So you know the river was up 4 feet from where it is right now at one point. Well, let's let it go again. Bye-bye. Gonna try not to move any of the ones that have moss on them. Just gonna try to work in here and leave the moss covered ones where they are. Okay, this one will have to be moved. I will move it right back though when I'm done. Right down on bedrock. Nice. So we were able to dig right down onto the broken up shale down here. I would have liked to dig down a little deeper into it because I still see material down there, but I'll continue in this spot in a second. I've got a full pan. I'm gonna pan it out and see what kind of evidence it shows. See evidence of black sand washing out in the sand here, but Similkameen always has lots of black sand. So, one classifier classified down comes out to about half a pan of material. I could throw the classifier on top again, fill it up again and get a full pan, or I can pan out a half pan, make an easy pan. It's about 5 o'clock at night right now, and that's why the sun is really low and probably leaving a terrible glare right now. I've got the camera aimed the wrong way. But yeah, I'm gonna go till about 7 and just see what I find here. And I may be back tomorrow. It depends on whether or not I have access to some different claims. but I will definitely be back before this trip is out to continue evaluating this spot. A 2-hour evaluation of a claim is definitely not enough. I have to leave by 7 because I have to go find myself a motel for the night. And that's an hour away still. Come on, go. Working about, 5 kilometers away from here on bedrock kind of similar to this, I found a spot that gave me multiple pickers. So it is around, it is possible. Going above Similkameen Falls right now, and I've always found less gold above the falls than I find below the falls. So, there's my excuse right now. Let's see what we get. Pan number 1. Not very much. 1 piece of lead. Make that 2 pieces of lead, but no gold. Let's go for another pan. There we go, digging down into that broken up shale now. Second pan, managed to dig down a little harder into that broken up shale. Come on, gold! Oh, look at the sun coming out on the far bar. This one came out much more fuller-ish. Good English. Always lots of black sand washing out on the Similkameen, that's for sure. Alrighty, what do we find? Pan number 2. Same as pan number 1. Well, I think I'm going to go and do a few more pans off camera here and see if anything shows up before I, move spots. Hey, I'm not skunked. So this is pan 5 from that hole, and there we be. That's not a bad flake of gold. It's definitely worth pulling out the close-up. Not bad at all. I can pick it up with my fingers. I tried, but I would not consider that a picker. I'd consider that a nice big flake. But it proves it. There is gold here. 5 pans in, 1 nice flake. Let's get 2 and 6. Here's the next pan. Am I lucky enough to have another good flake in another pan, in the very next pan? Considering I've gone through 5, well, I had 4 with nothing, the 5th had something, the odds are this is going to have nothing. But let's check it out. Nothing. Time to start picking down some of the higher crevices down into the pool below where I can shovel it out easy. It's really hard shoveling against this broken up shale because, your shovel just gets stuck everywhere. So I'm just gonna go down into the open cracks like that one there, bring out all the material down into the bottom where I can shovel it. Oh, and with my fancy little pick from Bulldog Metalworks. And again, you're not supposed to break out any bedrock pieces, but most of these rocks, like that one was right there, it just rolled out, and you can see it's loaded with sand and material below it. It means it wasn't actually attached to bedrock, it's just sitting there free. I'm not actually gonna go and start breaking bedrock because that's against the rules here in BC. Oh no! A big thunderstorm just rolled over the mountain right here. I'm starting to hear rumbling and nastiness right above me. I don't know if having my feet in the creek with lightning hitting around me is that great of an idea. If it gets any closer, I may have to call tonight quits early. I've been here about an hour and a half already. I want to be here 2 hours, so that's not that bad. And I will be back in the next couple days for sure. At least I found 1 piece of gold so far. It is just a constant rumble overhead. Still sounds like it's kind of a distance away, so I think I can still do this pan. Come on, let's end off with one piece. One piece of lightning gold. Chased off by a thunder and lightning storm. It is summer in BC. The weather can be, you know, unstable sometimes. Not much material in this pan. Maybe we'll get lucky. Thunderbolts and lightning. Very, very frightening. Okay, let's see what we got. Nothing to end off. That lightning's not here yet. Let's do another. Okay, one more pan. As Derek for one more pan would say, one more pan. Although he would say it a lot more animated than that. The thunder does sound to be getting closer. The thunder and lightning seems to be just over the ridge right now. So how far can I push this before I get electrocuted? Probably not good for my bad heart to be electrocuted by lightning. Come on, go. Ooh, tiny, tiny fly poop. Too tiny. Ah! That was too close. That was right there. No way. I'm packing up and getting out of here. That was too close. Ah! I just saw the flash. I just saw a flash right there. It's gonna be a good rumble any second. Oh yeah. I'm not sure if that picked it up. But 2 seconds after the flash or rumble, it's getting too close. Time to pack this up and get out of here. Ah! Well, I'm out of the water now. I feel a whole lot safer. I just worry about, you know, lightning striking the river upstream somewhere and throwing, you know, electrical jolt down the river or something. My poor ticker, I don't know if I could take that. So I'm out of the water. There was a lot more I wanted to do. I was trying right there. I wanted to try around that big rock and all of those boulders there. I definitely want to try this bar here. Just go down behind a big rock, dig and see what kind of fine gold there is on the inside corner. There's lots left to do, maybe even that bar over there. Lots left to do, but that will have to be for my next trip in here, which is probably tomorrow, maybe the next day. Because tonight looks like we're being chased out by Mother Nature. Hard to believe with it sunny like this, so beautiful. But that gray cloud, it's just a massive gray up there. And I've seen a couple of real bright flashes right on that hillside. So, yeah, there we go. C'est la vie. It's basically been the 2 hours I wanted to spend here anyway, so I do have to go and get myself a motel for the night. Now, I do realize this was a very short adventure, and, you know, 7 pans, 1 piece of gold is not very much, but my fans have been telling me lately that they want to see it all, so you get to see it all today. The good, the bad, and the ugly. The very ugly lightning storm. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me that thumbs up. If I haven't earned your subscription already, hope this adventure earns your subscription today. And a big thanks to everyone for watching, especially my patrons. Because of the support of my patrons, I get to make these weekly episodes of Dan Hurd Prospecting. Hope you're all having a great day, and hope the weather's good for you. And until the next one, bye.